Hi everyone, welcome back to Prime Tech Automotive YouTube channel. So I got this car here to do the regular service, and I'm just gonna demonstrate a video showing that how to reset the service reminder on the Mitsubishi Pajero. It's pretty easy. You just put the ignition on, turn on and back, and then you will see the actual display comes up, and then use the trip meter button, press and get into the spanner and press and hold, and you will see the spanner is blinking, and release and press once again, and you will see that clear. That's it. So this is pretty easy if you use a scan tool, but if someone doesn't have a scan tool, this is the easiest way. But you may see sometimes your kilometers and the months are wrong, because that's how it is. Like if you don't do the service reminder resetting on every service to as per the manufacturer standards, so you will see this month and the kilometers will go on different way, like not in the proper kilometers and dates. So but at the time you definitely need a scan tool to reset it, but to get rid of the warning light you can use this procedure. That's pretty easy. All right, that's it guys. It's a very quick video, so thanks for watching.